In this video, we will demonstrate using your configured and connected Google QActive system with Google Assistant products to play music or radio. Your QActive stand mount or tower speaker system must already be configured and connected to the internet. Please watch our setup video if you need any help to do this. You will also need a Google Assistant product with microphone and a smartphone or tablet connected to the Wi-Fi with the Google Home app logged into your account. You will also need the QActive remote control paired with the system. Your QActive system is allocated as a music speaker in the Google Home app and does not have built-in microphones. It is possible to have another Google Home product allocated in the same room as shown here. QActive is listed as lounge speaker and the Home Mini is listed as assist within the lounge room. It will now be possible to use voice control via the Google Assistant to select music or radio on any of these speakers. Simply ask Google to play something you wish on the speaker using the QActive friendly name. For lounge speaker, an example would be, "OK Google, play BBC Radio 1 on lounge speaker." You will find that the QActive switches on and will start playing the selected radio station. If you have added a music on demand service account to Google Home, then you can also select specific music to play, such as, "OK Google, play 90s pop on lounge speaker." Once the music or radio is playing via the QActive system, you can use voice control to alter the volume, which has a range from 0 to 10. For example, "OK Google, volume 4. You can also mute and unmute the volume as well as skip a track. You can also ask Google who is playing by asking, "OK Google, who is playing?" You can simply turn off the QActive system by asking Google to stop. "OK Google, stop." The QActive system will automatically enter standby about 30 seconds later. For more information, please visit the knowledge base.